this opportunity to first of all remember Ehia Saab. I used to call him uncle because he was my dad's friend. You know, sab saath the. And he was such a humble person, such a loving person in fact. I don't think he would have anybody who would have opposed him also all the way through his career. Such a wonderful personality. Maybe I could say that he also would have mentored me during my political career upbringing. Muslim Jamaat for completing this building in his name and remembering him. Because this is very important, we need to remember people who have done something good and gone. So Alhamdulillah, it's a nice occasion and a good project by the community. Especially to say the Badkal community, you stay a little different and little away from the mainstream. I have said this many times. I would request and I would say this again and again. Till you come into the mainstream, which is very important. The man who did the MC did not know my name properly. It is not a good thing. I've been MLA here for 13 years. This building is my constituency. I would have directly, indirectly supported for this to come up to this height. This building cannot be to this height otherwise. But you don't know my name. So sad it is. Harris, N.M. Harris, he said. It is not N.M. Harris, it is N.A. Harris. So I would appreciate if you know me well, it will be good for me and for you. But it's just not just telling a name and leaving it off. We need to know and understand each other more. And I saw this paper, a friend of mine, he gave me, I was not happy to see this. I saw a name which was not needed there. So where are we heading to then? And you said, I have come for the first time here. Whose mistake is it? Not my mistake. You must get me involved. You must use me. You must utilize my office. You must use my service. I am willing to do 24/7. If you don't, when a mother won't give milk to the child, doesn't cry. The mother will not give milk if the child is not crying. Am I right or wrong? Right. तो आप बुलाए नहीं, आप आए नहीं, आप करे नहीं, आप किसी का नाम, वो चोर का नाम है इसमें. I was not happy sitting there seeing this. It's not correct. We have here with me my ex-corporator Shiv Kumar, Soumya Shiv Kumar. Shivu, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು. This is my ex-corporator from the constituency, just ends here, the next constituency starts, but he is around here. We are very helpful. No communal, no any religion that this matters here. It is humanity and nothing else. We are 100% secular in whatever we do. And we want everyone to appreciate that. We need to live with it, and that is what our Prophet has taught us, humanity and nothing else. If we forget that and we become communal, we cannot blame the other man for that. We have to be more secular than be. Be perfect as an Muslim. Learn Islam properly, study that, practice it. It's very important. We have such a big building come up here, hostel facility. I was just asking Muzambil Saab whether how many percentage of your community will be in government service. He said 0. It's not good. It's not the done thing at all. Hardly we have 7 MLAs, representatives of our community in 224 member legislative assembly in Karnataka state. Just 7. We used to be 24. We hardly have any IAS, IPS officers in the system. We used to have many. Why? Is it because we can't do, or is it we don't want to do? We need to think about it. This hostel should accommodate people to reach up to the government level services, which is very important. If a community now, this building, I am sure Waqf board would not have taken money for this, government allocation, nothing is there. One is you have not asked. Okay, if you have asked, you should have got it. Why you didn't get it? So we are not getting connected. Please remember, this country wholly belongs to us, as it belongs to everybody. We have all the right here and duty towards this country. We cannot stay away from the system. So I would like to request the elders, Qazi is sitting here, all of you, please put into our community that we should also get into government service. We should push and educate people. There is a reservation category also, but we are not availing the reservation. My request is we should encourage, motivate them to get into it so that we are there in the system. Police officers, it could be IAS, it could be KS, it could be any department, it could be even a pure level also, we don't find anybody. We don't motivate them. I think that is what is happening, and I feel it is my responsibility to motivate everybody. What happened? क्या हुआ? कुछ हुआ है? क्या हुआ? ठीक है, नहीं कुछ हुआ तो बोलो. मैं तो सच बात करने वाला हूँ. बात से कुछ तकलीफ हुआ है? नहीं, मैं अल्लाह को राजी करना, आपको राजी करने के लिए बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं, क्योंकि कितना दिन है मेरा वैलिडिटी मुझे नहीं मालूम है. तो जाना आने का पहले हम कुछ अच्छा काम करके जाना चाहिए. तो काम नहीं करने को हुआ तो एटलीस्ट अच्छा बात तो करना चाहिए. काम तो वो भी नहीं करते, ये भी नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं करते. लोग को क्या पसंद है वो बोल के हंसते हुए हार गिर लेके चले जाते हैं. फायदा नहीं. We are here for a purpose. If my people have elected, it is not just the people, it is the Allah also who has given me this opportunity. So what do I deliver is very important. I can't keep my eyes, ears closed. So let us understand this. Such good facilities are made, and we have to create that kind of atmosphere. We know people, you would have a lot of experience where your file doesn't get moved, your work doesn't happen in government department, there is nobody, your file goes, they keep it aside. Aside that, our people, nobody is there in the department at all. You know that who becomes chief minister, his community gets the maximum. How does that happen? We never try to make our man chief minister, minister, nothing. We are not, the community has to put effort for that. We have to be united for that. We should not make ourselves into smaller section. We should be in the bigger category of the caste or community. हम लोग जब अपने आप को छोटे छोटे करेंगे तो फिर we can't even get one corporator. जब हम बड़े होंगे तो हुकूमत भी हमारे हाथ पे आएगा. और आज का माहौल में आप सोचिए, अच्छे दिन, किसको अच्छे दिन आया? हमको हमारा बुरा दिन ही बेटर था. मैं पॉलिटिक्स नहीं बात कर रहा हूं, जस्ट ट्राइंग टू लेट यू नो वेयर वी आर. क्या हो रहा है? 20% से ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन हमारा इस मुल्क में है. 1% भी हमारा बात कोई नहीं सुनता है. ये हालत है हमारा. तो इसे हम चेंज लेकर आना जरूरी है हमारे लिए. और नेक्स्ट आने वाले फसल के लिए भी अगर हम कोशिश नहीं करेंगे तो कमिंग जनरेशन व्हाट विल हैपन टू देम? थिंक अबाउट इट. वी हैव टू कलेक्टिवली पुट आवर हैंड्स टुगेदर. वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर राइट, नथिंग एल्स. वी हैव टू टेक इट. वी कांट जस्ट लिव इट लाइक दैट. दैट इज व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से. एंड योर कम्युनिटी इज अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड, वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कम्युनिटी, इंशाअल्लाह. Because the way you are taking it up is good, but then you expand yourself, you extend. Lot of all sitting on this desk, many are my good friends, business people, and we have been associated, we know each other. Bring in a change which can make difference to the community and society. I am with you. Anytime, anything you need, you can approach me, you can call on me, I am ready to work. There are a lot of things what you can get from the government. There are many schemes. Maybe your community has money and you don't want to take, but you pass it on to the other people in the community who are poorer and who can get benefit out of it. Plan karo. आप आज तो inauguration है, let the inauguration be over. Call me another day. Let's sit down. Let's just discuss what can be done. The hostel is in heart of the city. Just don't keep it only for your community. Keep it for at large Muslims. Because this kind of facility is not available everywhere. So let us give this to everyone, so that they also make an opportunity, come here in Bangalore, in the heart of the city, they can stay, study. Because that is where we have to bring in a change. Our community is lacking in education. We are much behind. अगर दीनी है तो दुनियावी नहीं है हमारे पास. जब तक हम इल्म हासिल नहीं करते, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. एजुकेशन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दिया है SM Mehiya साहब. He also headed the portfolio. Community should come now. Muzammil Saab gave me his card. He said he has 22 educational. MashaAllah, we're really proud of that, sir. I congratulate you for that. It's a great achievement for the community, no doubt. But just open your gate. ओपन करो. ओपन करके सबको अंदर आने को दे दो. आप देखो ये बदल जाएगा. Alhamdulillah, if it is open, I don't dispute. I am just telling, I am not disputing, I know. But it should be more open. See, the community had one medical college. Today that is not with the community. Community had engineering college. That is not today with the community. Community had a bank. It is not there today with the community. I don't want to take name. Why? What is the reason for that? Again, our community is being kept in some few people's hands, which is not right. We have to come out of all of this and make it better. So inshallah, we have started a movement, because I'll have to just touch with politics also. As of today, there are a lot of political parties coming to take away Muslim votes or our community votes in the name of religion. And none of these groups can actually help the community, because these groups cannot come to power by itself. So we have to understand which is the group or which is the party which can actually help the community and join hands with them, because we need a political party which can be in power. A political party which is in power just to finish us, or a political party which will be in power to help us. This is in between. That we have to read very clearly. So don't encourage smaller groups, encourage bigger political parties which will stand with us and help us to the coming days. The situations are not good. We all have to understand that and work together. Inshallah, with this, let me thank all the dignitaries on the dais and all of you and the association, that Bhatkal Muslim Jamaat Bangalore. We have the President Siddiq and Mr. Nauman Patel and all other office bearers. You have done a wonderful job, sir. Whatever I have said is the truth, and it is in a positive way. Nothing is negative, and nobody will harm you, or nothing can, inshallah, as long as I am here, I am with you. So don't have to worry. What I said is in the interest of community, is in interest of the society, interest of our country and state. So let us all work together and make it more stronger, and let us get, there are a lot of things what we have to get, that we have to take it. So inshallah, hopefully you understand what I have said and we work together. Thank you. Jazakallah.